Okay, so we've been talking about polynomial functions, and one of the big goals of this section is to be able to graph a polynomial function. Now, they're not super easy to graph, and you can really, if you're doing them by hand, you can really only get a rough sketch of them. But we have a lot of principles that we use, and we're going to review and go over so that we can get a rough sketch, okay? And we'll talk a little bit about graphing utilities. Okay, so first of all, polynomial functions, remember they're in the form f of x equals, and then you have a sub n x to the nth plus, and then you can have a bunch of terms, and then at the end you have some constant. And there can be all kinds of terms, and the degree of the polynomial can be anything greater than or equal to 2. Okay. So, but first a review, that's what a polynomial function is. They graph to be smooth continuous curves. So we talked about that in previous videos. An example on the left here, this is smooth because you don't pick up your pencil to trace it. Well, that's not why it's smooth, that's why it's continuous. And it's smooth because it doesn't have any sharp corners to it. Okay, it doesn't have anything like this. Okay, so this is a representative of a polynomial function, and it has 2 turning points. Okay, and it has end behavior and all kinds of stuff. This is not polynomial because it has a break in it, and the break is right there. You can't trace it with your pencil because when you get to this point, you have to jump. You have to pick up your pencil, and then you can keep tracing. But that jump that you have to make, the picking up of the pencil, that means it's not continuous. So this one is not continuous. It doesn't have any sharp corners really, but it's not continuous. Okay, which of the graphs represent polynomial functions? Well, this one, yes. This one, no, because of that sharp corner. This one, yes. This one, no, because it's not continuous. I was going to write not continuous. So no, because of right there. Okay, so that was fun.